I'm a U.S. citizen, and I'm trying to adopt my niece and nephew.
Where are they?
Their origin from Algeria,
Okay.
ALG,
How
Algeria.
old are they? How old are they?
And I would, the daughter, 11 years old, and they have 8 years old, and another boy, 6 years old.
Okay, and my question to you is, where's the mother and father?
The father, he's kind of, this ignorant guy.
He's abandoned the children?
Yeah, he's abandoned the children pretty much, I guess.
And the mother?
And the mother, she's very sick, and because I sponsored my parents, and my parents do live in the U.S., so they were sitting with them, and then they had to go to their mom, but their mom, she's very miserable, and I want to be the person in charge or responsible.
All right, so you have to bring them to America as orphans. We don't want to kill off the mother, obviously. We want her to be well. The father's disappeared. But when you have a situation where the father disappeared and the mother is incapable of taking care of the children, you can have the local authorities, and we can help you with that. And every country, there's a civil authority that's in charge of children. I don't know what it's called in Algeria, but they will come and they'll come and we'll make an application and say, you know what, the mother's incapable of taking care of these children. She doesn't have money. She's sick. She should basically have her rights as a mother stripped away.
Yeah, okay? and the people who were taking care of them are my parents, but they are here in America. They are no longer.
Fine, I understand. So they would have to be taken care of by somebody else. Somebody else is taking care of them. And we have to basically strip the mother of her parental rights, strip the father of his parental rights, and he has no rights because basically he abandoned the children anyway. Now they're orphaned. They have no mother, they have no father. And then while you're doing that in Algeria, on our end here in the United States of America, we're doing what's called a pre-adoption. A pre-adoption is when you go to the court, wherever you live locally. You're in California, so you would do it in California, and you do what's called a pre-adoption application, where you say to a judge, I got these two kids in Algeria. This is my situation here. I have this nice home. This is what I earn. Here's my fingerprints. I'm not a sexual predator. I'm not a child molester. I have a nice, clean home. They send a social worker to your home to check you out. And the judge says, okay, I'm very happy with what I'm seeing here. I think you'll be a good parent. When these children come to America, I would be more than happy to sign an adoption order saying that making you the parent of these children. So now you have what's called the pre-adoption. You strip the parents of their parental rights in Algeria. Now you can go to the Immigration Service and file an orphan petition. Say, I've been pre-approved for an adoption by my local judge. These kids have no parents in Algeria. Let's bring them over with a green card. And then you start the immigration process. You bring them over. They have a green card, but you're not done yet because you got to go back to your local judge and actually do the adoption at that point. And once the adoption is done, then they become automatic U.S. citizens.
Sure. And how long the process does that take? Like a year
in
or two?
Algeria, I don't know. I could say generally, because I've never done one for Algeria. I do them all over the world. But generally, they take approximately 10 to 12 months. So I would assume Algeria is in that same vein.
Yeah.
All right, and we could certainly help you. So hold on one second, okay?
Sure.
All right, hold on 1 second.